Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Alright guys, gonna show you guys this headboard, metal headboard that I put together. It came out looking awesome. Kind of got that dark metal, pretty symmetrical slat metal headboard here. Assembly was very, very easy. So it came in just, I don't want to say maybe 5 or 6 pieces. You had this main piece right here, and then this was an individual bar, then this was an individual bar, and then you had the legs right here and right here. So a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, so it's very, very easy to put together. This is the manual right here. Essentially, this is what you did. You connected the legs to this main frame right here, and then you connected this middle slat and then this middle slat right here. And you just had 3 screws, so 3 bolts on the side, 3 bolts on the other side, right? And so what I'm gonna do now is just attach it to the bottom of this frame, and I'll show you what it looks like once it's all installed. All right, so the headboard is attached, and there's a couple of things that I wanna call out. First and foremost, when you're attaching the headboard to the metal frame, make sure that you have the box spring either off completely or pushed back, because you're not gonna be able to access these holes right here to get the bolts in. The second thing is, with the bolts in the instruction manual, you see that they have 2 ways to install the bolts. Either the bolts coming from the backside of the frame and the headboard into the frame, or from the frame side going into the headboard. Now, I personally prefer going from the headboard into the frame, because as you can see here, the bolts are sticking out. Now imagine if you go from this side into the headboard, it's going to be sticking out here, and then you could be potentially scratching against your baseboards right here. So I went from the headboard side into the frame. That's the only 2 things that I would caution you about and just kind of give you the heads up. Other than that, I think it looks pretty good. So if I push the bed back, we'll see what it looks like in the position that it's going to be in. And there you have it. And all I used was my drill or Allen key and some grip pliers to hold the nut. But all in all, I'd give this headboard a thumbs up.